Hey everyone, we got a great price on this wire stripping machine. As you can tell from our Kijiji ad, it's a multiple feed port system here. It'll do 16 gauge, actually it looks like it might even be smaller, all the way up to 500 MCM. It's got forward and reverse, start stop switch. Check this out. Reverse. So this machine works flawless. It's all been tuned up. Everything's ready to go. It's also brand new. We aren't selling this particular model anymore, so anyone who's interested, give me a call, 866-901-2278 or 519-535-2425. It also has extra set of blades that come with it, and the price is incredible. So if you need to strip wire and you're looking for a bang for the buck, this machine's for you. Call us.